This is the guys, Cliff, Isaiah, Aiden, Rob, and Alvin.
The Kayak for Kids. I tell you, it seems like we just did this a couple of months ago. This is 2010, June 13th.
And they're getting ready. We're waiting our turn. Put the boat in the water.
Okay, Keene Bay, we just got to register. Let's go get some water, guys. Some juice and some water.
You guys want that?
Aiden, you got a whistle there?
Yeah.
Test it. Let's see what it sounds like. Loud. No, it does. Blow hard. Blow hard. Yeah.
But it's not.
Isaiah, test it.
It's not playing. I'm going to blow it. So I think there's
Well, up here, we're okay. Go ahead and test it. Get your fingers away from the hole. Wow, it works. It's got a little loud. Let's go get some water, guys.
Okay, that's our dinghy. The guys are coming in. We've got the meeting here pretty soon. Oh!
Virgin Islands.
I can do that.
Not giving you the virgin.
Okay, this is good.
Okay, I just made it around Ham's Bluff. Back behind me. Oh man, unstable. This has been the trickiest trip so far. There's my rescue man. There's Isaiah and Cliff. Rob and Aiden are way up there. They were flying. But man, I had trouble. Alright guys, so we're just now around Ham's Bluff. We got out of the mixing stuff, the choppy stuff. Everybody's still kind of behind us. Ham's Bluff is right up ahead. Wow, nice. Hey, there's rope hanging in front of the boat, guys.
What?
Rope's hanging in front of the bow. Hey, Isaiah, reach over and get that.
I got it.
But, oh man. This little boat is very light. I'm about maximum weight on this, and I sit tall. So, no, not yet. Not till I get out of, into Ham's Bluff. But, real high and unstable. My center of balance, center of gravity is real high.
Can we go back up?
Yeah. You know where Ham's Bluff is? The beach is? Okay. Yeah, it's pretty much around the corner. So I'm going back to paddle. It's now around to the heavy stuff. Huh? Okay, I'm coming. Almost the end of leg one. Okay, into Ham's Bluff. The beach at Ham's Bluff. Yeah, just light it up carefully. Can you raise the engine?
What?
Can you get it up? A little more muscles. No? Just have Isaiah jump out and hold the boat till you get behind it, kill it, and then you can raise it. Robin, there's Aiden. Yeah, he did. Yeah, he heads up here. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, he came in handy a couple of times. That's my son. He does. We've been doing it for a few years. He is good at it. It's nice. It's comfortable having it out there. Yeah. All right. People are coming in. Paddle up. Hold on. See if I can do this. Ooh, I can't do it with one hand. Alrighty. get up here and crash. Crashing on the beach. Oh! I'm touching. Alright, end of leg one. Done. Next one's a rough one. Captain Cliff, let's go get some water. You're fine? You've been drinking water on the boat? You've been like riding a cruise ship compared to what we've been riding, Bubba. Cliff, grease. The grease monster's after you.
Okay, this is the crowd. They just got the pictures taken. Yes, thank you. We're starting on their second leg. And where are you headed now?
Oh, Frederiksted Beach. Long and flat and against the wind now.
Good.
All right.
We're on.
Did you get anything to go with me, Cliff?
No.
Oh, man. I know, I feel like I'm abandoned.
He's coming in. The last leg we are jogging right over there. Ow! I did get cut. See, I'm getting cut. Yeah. Goodness.
Okay, we just left the beach. Loading it up, headed home. Oh my gosh, who we got back in the back there?
Don't leave.
Stay straight up, guys. Well, don't do that.
Can I go under here?
Yeah. We're headed home.